You don't need fancy gear, millions of followers, or expensive ads. In 2025, a single short with the right hook, thumbnail, and distribution can earn hundreds, and a steady stream of these can pay your rent. Stick with me, and I'll show you how to pick the niche, make the content, optimize it, and monetize it exactly like the creators who are already printing money. Let's break it down. Step 1. Choose a niche. Short, sharp. Pick one niche and own it. Why niche? Example. Pet care is huge. If you make videos about dogs, training, toys, food, you attract a specific audience advertisers and brands buy into. If you try to be everything, you'll attract nobody. How to pick. Passion and demand equals to pick something you can consistently post about. Use Google Trends or YouTube search to check interest. Search how to train a puppy and look at related queries. Those are video ideas. Look at competitors and copy what works, then add a twist. Simpler, faster, more entertaining. Step 2. Content formula. Shorts win on attention. Your job. Stop the thumb in 0 to 2 seconds and deliver value in 30 to 45 seconds. 3-part structure to use every time. Number 1. Hook. 0 to 2 sec. Shock, question, quick promise. Example. Stop wasting money on dog toys. This one is the only one you need. Number 2. Value. 3 to 35 sec. Show the tip or demo. Be visual, fast cuts, captions. Number 3. Payoff or CTA. Last 2 tot 5 sec. Want a full list? Link in bio or subscribe for weekly dog hacks. Production tips. Use phone vertically. Stable lighting. Clean audio. Edit fast. Cut to the action. Use free apps like CapCut. Add captions. Many watch on mute. Step 3. Optimize for SEO and thumbnails. SEO gets you discovered. Thumbnails get the click. Both matter for shorts. Titles and keywords. Concise plus searchable. Use direct search phrases. How to stop dog barking fast versus stop that noise. Put the main keyword at the front. Keep it clear and under 50 characters when possible. Description and tags. Write a 1 to 2 line description with the keyword and 2 to 3 related keywords. Use tags on YouTube if available. Thumbnails. The experiment you must run. I always AB2 uploads. Video 1. Same content, but no thumbnail, only got 600 views. Video 2. Same content, custom thumbnail, great quality, emojis like arrow or circle and color grading, got 3 million views and it went viral. Thumbnail tips, beginner friendly, big readable text, one focal face or product, high contrast colors, make it look like a story frame, not clutter. Hashtags, use 2 to 4 relevant tags, don't spam. Step 4. Monetization strategies. Now the money part. Multiple streams. Don't rely on one. Ad revenue. Shorts monetization basics. Get to Shorts monetization thresholds. Follow platform rules. Once you hit thresholds, ad revenue starts. Track RPM. Revenue per 1,000 views. Brand deals and sponsorships. Offer a one-shot 10 to 30 second product placement within your short. Example. For pets, partner with a toy brand. $300, $1,000 per short is common for micro-influencers. Affiliate marketing. Concrete example. Niche. Pets. Promote a dog toy you use. Put an affiliate link in description. Example. 100 clicks. X 5% conversion. X $25 product. Write $125. Repeat across videos. Where a steady income. Tip. Always show the product in use. People buy what they see working. Music deals, important in 2025. There are music programs where companies pay creators for using licensed songs. Apply to the music partners. Some programs vet channels. If you get in, certain songs add a bonus RPM on top of normal ad RPM. Use the approved music and you'll earn both from views plus music deals. Example. I added an approved track and my RPM rose from $0.20 to $0.50 on that short month. Step 5. Analyze, double down, scale. Use analytics like a scientist. Don't guess. Key metrics to monitor. Explain simply. Views, raw reach, watch time, AVG% viewed. How sticky is your short? Aim for 60% for 30 sec videos. Swipe rate, click through. If people swipe away in first 2 seconds, change your hook. RPM. How much money per 1,000 views you earn. Actionable rule, double down on what works. If a short on dog dental chews goes viral, you immediately make 3 to 5 follow-ups. Product comparison, how-to, best budget options. That's how you scale fast. Example, one viral short led to 6 follow-ups. The channel's monthly revenue tripled in 6 weeks. Bonus, international and language strategy. Want to go viral faster and earn more per view? Look beyond English. Why languages and markets matter. Some countries pay higher RPMs. South Korea, Japan, Nordic markets. Targeting those markets raises your earnings per view. You can get big reach with localized content, less competition and high engagement. How to implement? Beginner friendly, step by step. Pick one language to test. Korean is a high potential example. Translate your best performing short script using AI translation, then tweak for local culture. Use local audio, either a native speaker or a high-quality TTSH voice clone. You can use simple subtitles too if you can't get native audio. Upload with Korean title, Korean description, and Korean tags. Post times, match local prime hours. Monitor RPM and engagement. You'll often see higher RPM and faster growth. Quick case example. I duplicated a pet short, added Korean captions, and a short Korean voiceover. Views came from Korea and Japan. RPM jumped 2-3x compared to English version. Final checklist and daily system. Here's your simple daily system to follow. Daily or 1 day minimum. Post a short using the formula we covered. Weekly. Review your top 3 performing shorts and create variations of what worked. Monthly. Check your RPM, adjust your niche if needed, and test 1 new monetization stream. Checklist for every short. Strong hook in first 2 seconds. Custom thumbnail with bold text. Simple searchable title. Relevant affiliate link or CTA in description. 2 to 3 targeted hashtags. Look, I've just given you the exact system that creators are using right now to make real money from shorts in 2025. The difference between you and them isn't talent or luck, it's taking action. Your assignment is simple. Pick your niche today, create your first short this week, and start testing these strategies. If you want more honest, no BS tutorials that actually work, smash that like button and subscribe. I drop real, actionable strategies every week. Drop your niche in the comments and I'll give you a title and thumbnail idea to get started. Now stop watching and go create your first money-making short.